Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, I am very confident this is a wave A. I think this is all like a running A, B, C, or B ending here. And I think we are very clearly in an uptrend for a wave C. Now, most wave Cs do take out the high of wave A, which would potentially put you up to like the 78%, 149, maybe even all the way up to the 100%, 151 area. But wave Cs don't always have to take out the higher of wave A. I mean, sometimes they do make lower highs and lower highs. So we are sitting at the 61% right now. If we identify the end of this trend, that tells me that the wave C made a lower high and that it's going back down. We definitely haven't been able to identify the end of the trend yet because we definitely do not have a breaker structure to the downside or a significant lower high yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, price did make a pretty good push down, but that doesn't tell me anything except for that wave from here to here is over. This potentially could just make another pullback, down to like anywheres between the 38 and the 78%, then end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. Like I said, most wave Cs do take out the higher wave A, so there's a very good chance that this move down is just going to be a pullback to the last impulsive move up. If it goes all the way down and breaks this structure right here, the 100% level, that's what's going to prove to me that the wave C is over on the higher time frames and that we definitely want to continue to look for shorts because at that point, the high time frame downtrend is probably back in play. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.